welcome back to Thompson TV. Today we're taking a look at one of our brand new Elddis Autoquest 185s, a true all-rounder in the Elddis range. So just the usual, we'll talk you through the outside and give you a look inside the vehicle as well. So let's start off on the outside. We're built on the Fiat Ducato 2.2 litre engine with 140 brake horsepower with a smooth automatic drive, making it a lovely driving experience. So it's 7.3 metres in length and 2.2 width. It strikes the perfect balance for interior space and easy drivability. It's 4-berth with 4 seat belts as well. Talking through the features, we have our TV aerial on the roof. This vehicle does come with the Pro Pack, so that entails your barbecue point, which is here beside your gas bottles. We also have a reverse camera at the back, and we'll have our rails there, so if you'd like to add a bike rack, that would be pretty easy to do. To the other side of the vehicle, our shower point will be here. Our toilet cassette is down here because your bathroom's at the back. Our AGM leisure battery with your hookup point is in this compartment, and you've also got a 3-pin 230-volt socket here. Got your 60th anniversary decals with your emblems. As the vehicle is a 60th anniversary edition, you've got a bit of a different upholstery finish inside, which you'll see in a wee minute. And as well as this, we have our Fiat 16-inch two-tone alloys. Inside the cab, it's all about driver comfort and convenience. We have everything we need up here. Onto the steering wheel, multifunctional. You've got your cruise control with your speed limiter, your hands-free. It's finished off in leather. We've got our automatic headlights as well as our automatic windscreen wipers. We've got our 8-speed automatic gearbox. We've got our Traction Plus with our hill descent, cab aircon in the front here, and then we've got our Pioneer infotainment system, so that's all fully touchscreen. We've got our DAB radio built in there, and we've got our Bluetooth as well as your CarPlay and Android Auto, so you do have access to maps if you connect your phone up. Stepping into the lounge, you'll automatically see how open and airy this is. Nice open plan. You've got your 2 bench seats at the front, so that does convert very easily into a double bed. You've got storage underneath that, and you've also got your freestanding table to use for your front lounge. As well as this, we've got our sliding door, so it does close off your bedroom from the lounge area if you've got guests coming in. We've got a fully equipped kitchen for our life on the road. Now, this particular model does come with the entertainment pack, so that entails your Russell Hobbs microwave, you've got your electric hot plate with your 3-ring gas burners, and you've also got your 3-pin sockets and USB points thanks to that. We've got a Dometic 3-way fridge that'll run off your gas, your electric and your battery. You can switch it over to automatic and it is fairly self-sufficient. And we've also got a separate grill and Thetford oven. So to the back we have our single bed layout. This is one of the highlights of the 185. Obviously being the fixed beds, there's no need to set up. They are easily accessible and again adds to the open plan feel that we have. So this is where our USB points are situated. Above that we do have two 230-volt sockets and a TV point there to add a TV. Our control panel is situated just beside the habitation door. It's very user friendly. You've got all your settings for your battery levels and your water tanks. You've got a 100-litre fresh water tank with this vehicle as well as a 70-litre grey waste water tank. Below that is our control panels for our heating and our water. So as you can see, you can run it off gas or electric, and again it is user friendly. You just toggle it with the buttons and it's the same for the water. So our bathroom is at the back and we've got plenty of space back here. We've got a separate shower to your toilet, so if you do like having a separate shower toilet, this van is compatible for you. And then we've got a huge wardrobe at the back with the hanging rail. So there you have it, folks. That was a walk through our Elddis Autoquest 185. You can see this as well as the rest of our Elddis range on our website, thompsonleisure.com. If you have any further inquiries, please get in touch. Give us a call on 028 9269 399. Thank you.